my video. In this video, we are going to cover a sensitive topic, that is system versus humanity. So recently that we saw. So let's get started. Introduction. In many parts of the world, the system seems to care more about the property than people. Rules are meant to help the society run smoothly, but sometimes they lose their human touch. When this happens, humanity is pushed aside. It feels as if emotions have no place in official decisions. A painful incident, one heartbreaking example is when a man had to carry a dead body to a bank just to prove a death. The bank refused to release money without physical proof. This shows how the system can become blind to human suffering, ignoring people's pain. Property over life. In such cases, money and documents are treated as more important than human dignity. The system acts as if protecting property is the only goal. The idioms money talks, money has power, than anything else clearly reflects these situations. Loss of humanity. Officials often follow rules without thinking about emotional impact. They behave like robots without feelings or understanding. This lack of compassion turns a difficult moment into crucial experience for those already in grief. Adding to the pain, instead of helping the system, instead of helping, the system sometimes make things worse. A grieving person is forced to go through unnecessary steps. This is truly adding insult to injury, making a bad situation even worse. It shows how disconnected the system in form of life. Fear of breaking rules. Many officials are afraid to bend rules, even in extreme situations. They want to stay on the safe side, avoid risk or blame, but in doing so, they forgot their basic duty to serve people with care and understanding. Need for change. The system must change its approach. Rules should be applied with common sense and kindness. Authorities needs to put themselves in other shoes, try to understand other feelings. Only then the system become more human and fair. In conclusion, a system that values property over people is deeply flawed. Humanity should always come first. Rules should guide us, not control us completely. If we don't fix this, the system will continue to hurt the very people it is meant to protect. Useful phrases and items used. Blind to human sufferings, ignoring people's pain. Money talks, money has a strong power influence. Like robot means acting without emotions, adding insult to injury, making a bad situation worse. So, although we practice a small session on this, but what the system is doing? Is this the system is for only rich people? Is this the system? Is this the society where only rich people will survive? No, it is not right. So we are a democratic and sovereign country where all the people are equal irrespective of caste, credit and color, right? So why this is the opposite thing we are seeing. So this is very much painful, yeah. This is the heartbreaking voice of a poor man who is not able to produce the document before the bank. So how shameless it is. Hey system, what are you doing here? Authorities, what are you doing? People, bank should be checked, governed strictly by RBI. These are the idiot followers. They are staying inside bank. I have also gone through such situation many times. But these bank people, they are thinking they are the president of India. Okay, they are idiot people are staying inside that bank. I can guarantee this one. Okay, and this is a failure, total failure of the system. Huh?